So here is a peek at, I call this pretty well finished of how we ended with our apartment decorating. I mean, there's still a few things we can do, but I feel quite good with what we've done so far. So remember, when we first got here, we had to buy plates and we had to kind of buy everything. So I really love this little coffee station here. So yes, and there's not a lot of lighting in here. So I did add the lamp here, which I think that's really cute. And we really do use it a lot. So whenever I'm in the kitchen, I have to use both this vent light and the lamp to really get a good idea of what I'm doing here. So I bought this little shelf here off of Facebook Marketplace, and what it taught me was that you get what you pay for, because it was quite cheap, and you can kind of tell it's quite cheap, right? So, but I wanted something like a little charging station by the door, or something that we can just put our stuff on when we walk in the door without just loading everything on the little peninsula here. So often what we have to put here are our bike batteries. Sometime when we come in and the batteries need to be recharged. So, and all of our, this is our pickleball stuff, so we can easily leave out and all that kinds of stuff. The phone here goes to our doorman downstairs if we have any deliveries or guests. So we started with a gray palette. So when I started decorating, because the gray chairs were already here, and this gray, it's supposed to be a sofa, but it's more like a futon, was already here. So I started building a gray template. So, and then we purchased these two items here. These are recliner chairs. We purchased these from PriceSmart. They were about $1,300. So here you can tell I'm building this gray template, right? And then I ended up getting some more gray little placemats from Stevens. So, and then we got these gray bar stools from Stevens as well. So for a minute there, it looked like everything was gonna be gray, right? But I had a plan. Then I started introducing the white or cream color. So started with this tray that I also found, I think I found this at Stevens as well. Yeah, and I got this base, and there's two that came. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace from Panama, and I got two for like $45. I thought that was a little more than what I would pay normally, but that was kind of the beginning. I knew I wanted this color palette, so I went ahead and went with it. And I got these flowers from maybe Stevens as well. So you can tell I'm really starting to build with Stevens, though I'm not 100% sure about that, right? But yeah, so building with some more cream here. This is the other vase. I got these are artificial here, and this is actually real. And then I got some plants. This is a live plant. I got these from Reba Smith. They have a really nice plant section. So then I finally figured, I got the gray and cream going. So you see the pillow here is gray. Started adding a touch of gold because it was already kind of maybe gold going on. But this table was already here too when we first got here. So the glass with the black legs, and then the chairs with the black legs was a theme already happening. So I kind of carried that over here. This is actually a coffee table with the black legs. The black legs on the bar stools as well. And so we carried that over here with this chair and the desk here, keeping that theme going of the black legs. So yeah, this is what was already here with the gold legs. So yeah, I started adding that gold in from here. And got this tray here. It's also gold and the gold accent. And then in the bedroom, I got some more pillows. I got the pillows for good sale at Saks. Saks here in the El Dorado Mall. So I got those gold accented pillows, which I really like, with the cream lamps. Got them both, all that from Saks. Yes, the comforter set, we got that from Novi. I got that from Novi, it was a good price. I found these plant, I guess you call them plant pots from Stevens as well. It was a set of 3. They were on sale for $15, and they still are on sale because I was just there recently. And again, got these plants from Reba Smith. Now I got this recently. Took a trip to Alice, A-L-I-S-S, Alice. I got 2 of those. I actually thought it was blue when I got it, but when I got home, it's more like a gray color. But you know what? I think I would love to do a first DIY. I'll let you know, and paint it some of the red here, or the orange here. So actually, when I was thinking about what colors to add to the palette of the gray and the cream and gold, I use this as my inspiration. I love all these colors, right? So we got the first pop of the blue with these trays. I did pick those 2 trays up from Stevens, and they were on sale for 50% off. I also got this rug to add to that color and that blue color, and I got that from Elise for $39. So yeah, I am feeling pretty good right now. Now this red here, this rug, we got this rug in Morocco. So this is a legit Moroccan Berber rug that we got from the person that told us the story of how it was made. And we just had such a delightful experience with the Berber people when we bought this rug. So it's just a ton of memories that's just planted right here in the middle of the apartment. A ton of warm memories of spending time with friends on this trip that's just priceless. So happy to just have it, been able to display it now. And it fits my color scheme, which is, again, I'm gonna be building on these colors and bringing those colors in. I actually think I have enough of the blue, of this blue now. We'll be painting this as soon as I find out where to find DIY paint and project stuff from, paintbrushes from. I probably will go ahead and paint this like the red or the orange color here, or a combination. So I'm looking forward to that. But love this, it was on sale for like $50. So I love that, it's like a bohemian type of print to it. Match my color scheme well. So yeah. As you know from the videos, we're doing a lot of shopping. And so this is the first outcome of it. Let me show you the view, because we can't go anywhere without showing you that, right? The view. So this, I usually put my plants out here a couple days a week just to let them sun while I water them, get some sunlight, and they're doing quite well. So, all right, let me know what you think. If you have any ideas for me. Oh, you see there's no pictures on the walls yet. So that's gonna be the next step. One of the next steps is getting some artwork for the walls. Maybe another rug in this space here, but yeah, it's all coming together. It's coming along. All right. Thanks for coming along with me. All right, till next time, thanks for subscribing, and Be sure to be blessed.